Okay. I don't. You didn't see anything. Taxing out. Okay, taking off.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Fast, low pass from the left. I'm sorry.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay, fast, low pass. Fast, low pass from the left, then you can go out from the right.
And coming out, guys.
All right, all yours. Normal mode. Normal mode.
Oh, you took off the flap. Alright. How much time?
Give me a little bit of time. I don't have that much more.
Alright.
I'll land. I'll land, and then you guys can go up.
Yours looks so much better
Time
in the air.
remaining 1 minute 10 seconds.
No, it looks okay too. It's just mine. I think mine's a little quicker because I got the FMS fan.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Fast, low pass from the right. I see Jack. Okay. Almost done. Come on in. Ooh, did it stall? I stalled a little bit. Cool. All right, let's make sure gear's down.
I like that reflective tape now.
Okay, I'm going to be landing from the right.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Yeah.
Gear
I'll get off the track.
is down.
I can off-road with this thing.
10, 9, 8, 7. Landing
I was
flat.
taking off with the
6,
dirt last
5,
time, off-road.
4, 3,
Okay, landing right
1.
from the right.
Fired.
This place is nice at the end of the day.
Braking.
With the brakes on?
Yep.
Nice, I like the brakes.
Actually slows it down a lot. Okay.
I'm,
Oh, wow,
I'm
that's
on a
pretty.
rock, I felt it.
Taxing back.
Flaps up.
You go ahead and taxi out.
Coming out!
Release.
Oh, runway clear. Nice.
Hey, you ever want to sell that thing? Can I have first dibs?
Everybody asks me. Like, first dibs.